In this video, we're going to learn about the use of make directory command, mkdir. So if we want to create a new directory or a folder on UI, what we need to do is to right click and then create new folder. We'll write some name, new folder. But that can be done in the UI. What if you want to do that with the help of command line interface? So I delete it for the time being. The command that is used for this is called mkdir, right? If you use mkdir in some directory, currently the terminal is open on desktop, so whatever I'm going to create is going to be created here. If I do that, don't specify the path and write the name of the directory like I created before, hit enter, it would be created. You can see the new directory is created, it's empty. Right? But we can actually create a directory into another directory. Let's say it's currently open in desktop. If I want to create a directory new inside the new directory, I need to do the following. I write the command, I write the exec path, and then write the name of the new directory, new one. Here is new one. Moreover, we can also use the relative path. So what do I mean by that? Let me elaborate. Let's go into the new directory. We go into new. Now mkdir, I can do this dot backslash new one. So that is inside the directory which is present. So basically the address of this is relative to new. Let's say dot backslash specify that from current working directory. Right? Now if we create new 2, there would be a directory created inside. That is it for this video. Thank you very much. Let's meet in another one.